Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, today I will show you how to model, analysis and design of steel structure warehouse shed using Staad.Pro in Connect Edition version. So let's see, this is our layout plan and this is elevation. Now see, this is 5 meter height of side wall and 1.5 meter height ridge line from side wall, and this is our x direction and this is our z direction. So first of all we create this grid number 1 and A, B, C, D, E. So open the stat file. So first of all take one node here. Now see, one node show here. So select node cursor, select this node, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now see, this is our 15 meter total length in x direction. So input here 15 meter. Okay. Now see, two node is here. So we will connect these two node by add beam. Select this node and this node and select this beam and go to geometry transitional repeat, that is y direction, and sidewall height is 4.5 meter. Link step. Okay. Now see, delete. Now delete this lower level beam and is insert node and midpoint. Okay. Now select node and select this node, right click, node, and this line 1.5 meter height from our side wall. So input here 1.5 meter. Okay. Okay. Now see, our total frame is ready as per our layout plan, grid number 1. So first of all we delete right portion and select this beam, geometry, insert node, add endpoint. Okay. Now go to properties. We will define the properties. First of all column and the beam. Also we provide tapered section. So define tapered I, assuming the column size 300 from 005 .450 .200 .006 add. So I select .450 .275 add. .275 .175 add. 275 and 350 add. Close. Now select this one and column assign to selected beam, assign, yes. Select Staad.Pro, assign to selected beam, assign. Select these three, assign to selected beam, assign. Select Staad.Pro, select member, assign to selected beam, assign. Now view level setting, structure, full section, apply, close. Now see, this is our left portion frame. Now we mirror this right portion. So what we'll do, select this whole thing and geometry, mirror, and select node on plane and select this node, and that is YZ plane. Okay, now see, our grid number 1 total frame is okay as per our plan. So select whole thing and go to transitional repeat, and we'll go Z direction, and each gap 4.5 meter. So input here 4.5 meter and 6 step. Okay, now see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, our grid is okay. Sorry, our total frame is okay as per our drawing. So go to view from Z, select, first of all select node cursor, select this node, and this node. View from isometric. Now see, node has selected. Now we will provide start beam. So go to geometry, connect beam along Z axis. Now see 18 members are created. Okay, now add beam, we will provide gable column. So select this node and select this beam. Do you want to add a node here? Yes. Add endpoint 1 2 3 4. Okay, now go to select node cursor, select this node and go to transitional repeat. We go to Y direction, assuming the height is 8 meter, so that intersect the beam, link step. Okay, go to geometry. Now select this gable column and select this beam also, so that we can intersect the column. So go to intersect selected beam. Okay, now select upper portion and delete, press delete, and okay, delete also the lower beam, press delete. Okay, now select this gable column and we will mirror this column, this gable column. So go to mirror, and this is the center reference point. So node on plane, select this node, and that is XY plane. Okay, now see gable column has created here. So now we'll provide bracing here. Select this node, 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 same way select this node, and such way we can provide the bracing. View isometric. Now our 3D modeling almost done. Now we'll assign the property. So go to property. First of all, we provide the start beam, and this is bracing as well as gable column. So provide first of all gable column, define, that is also tapered, assuming 300, 005, 300, assuming 175, 008, add, close. Now we provide the strut beam, and we provide pipe section database. Go to pipe, assuming we provide this pipe, and now we provide this bracing section database. Angle type we provide, assuming that is 88 mm. Close. Now we will assign the property. First of all, this gable column. So select view from Z and select this beam. Go to isometric. Sorry, before that we select the section property. This is gable column property. Go to Z view. Select this beam. Go to isometric. Assign to selected beam. Assign. Yes. Go to Z view. Select the strut beam by this way. Control this node and this node. Go to isometric. Now see beam are selected. Sorry, before that selected that property, otherwise we cannot assign. Go to once again view from Z. Select this node, and this node. Go to isometric view. Now see the strut beam selected, and selected the property. Assign to selected beam. Assign. Yes. Same way property. Select this way. Missing property. So once again I have missed. Select first of all, select this property and attribute missing property. Assign to selected beam. Assign. Yes. Now our assign has done. Now go to. Now we'll see this. Go to our view, level setting, structure, full section, apply, close. Now see this column is this column orientation, and our layout column orientation is not same. So what can I do? So rotate this column. So go to geometry, beta angle, create beta angle 90 degree. Okay. So this column, select, controls this, assign to selected beam. Assign. Yes. Now once again go to view, level setting, structure, full section, apply, close. Now see the column is rotated and as per our layout plan. Now here the gable column is not moment type connection, so we release the moment at end. So select this column, change release at end, partial moment MP 99%, add, close. So select this beam and specification, assign to selected beam. Assign. Yes. Now see a green circle has show here. That means this column cannot take moment. Same way, the star beam also release the moment. So select this, change partial moment release MPZ 99%, add change release at end partial moment MPZ 99%, add close. Now select attribute property name by property, that is start beam, close, start MPZ assign to selected beam, assign yes, end MPZ assign to selected beam, assign yes. Now see, this is our truss. This is this bracing is taking as a tension and compression member, so it will act as a truss member. So assign this so as a truss member. Select truss, add. So attribute property name by property, this bracing assign to selected beam, assign yes. Now see, it's act as a truss member. Now go to support, create, we provide pin type support, add, select this support, view from jet, select all node and go to isometric view, assign to selected node, assign yes. Now see, our support has created. Go to level setting, structure, full section, okay. Now see, our 3D modeling is done.